powers up. And his dad get mad at him. That little girl, she about to start a fight in there. Just get Joshua. That's like he was about to punch her.
Man, that girl, she'll put Joshua through a whole nother dimension. Big girl.
Just like, you better stop.
Man, she'll throw Joshua right through that fence.
So Joshua, you better stop. You don't know me. You don't know me.
Like Hulk and Thor. Joshua better stop. He knows it's good for him. See, he just got whacked, see? If you don't know, you better ask somebody. She got the punch of 3 grown men.
I got the hiccups now.
Wow.
Too hard. He might miss it. Go!
Why's he dancing? You're looking